Hi guys, it's Miss Targonsky, and I want to read another story with you today. Now, this story is called Go Animals Go, and it's about all these different animals that are riding on different things. So there's a pig, or a duck, or a cow, and there's a bike, and a plane, and a car, and these animals are riding and they're going, they're moving. But I have some words covered, and it's your job today to figure out what those tricky words are. Now, we usually look at the beginning sound of a word, but today I want to not only look at the beginning sound, but look at every sound in the word, from the beginning all the way through the word. Now, you can use your picture power also to help you solve what those tricky words could be. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the first page. And what I want you to do is first study this picture. What do you notice? Okay, I see an animal, and the animal is definitely riding in something. Now, let's take a look at the words here. Now, I see that two words are covered, but there's some other words here that I think that we know. These look like sight words. Let's look at this one. T-H-E. I know that word. It's the. What about this one? Do you know this word? I-S. Is. How about this one? I-N. In. And this one? A. So I know the, is, in, a. I just need to figure out these two tricky words. Now, I see the letter C. The letter C says k, k. So the k, k. It could be the word car, but wait, it also could be the word cow. Now, how am I going to figure out if this word is car or cow? Well, a good thing to do is to not only look at the beginning sound, but also the end sound. So I'm going to uncover this for you. 1 second. All right, so now I have k, ah, w. K, ow. I'm going to look at the beginning sound all the way through the word. Now, the word car ends with a sound. So I don't see an R here. I see a W. So I think that this word is cow. So the cow is in a picture power. What is the cow in? A k. Let's check the entire word. The cow is in a Ooh, look, I see an R here. The cow is in a car. Car. So that's why it's really important, guys, to not only look at that first sound, but to also look at the whole word. Let's try it again on the next page. Alright guys, look at this picture and try to figure out what these missing words can be. The p, p. The p, I, g. Pig. the pig. So it's very important to look at not only the first sound, but the last sound too. Look all the way through the entire word. Now let's try this one. The pig is on a bike. Ooh, I hear that k sound. Bike. We looked not only at that first sound, but through the entire word. Now, that's a very important skill for you to do while you're reading your own books today. Good luck, guys. When you come across words in your books today that when you're reading that you don't know, don't forget to practice what we just did. To not only look at the beginning sound, but also the ending sound. Look through the entire word. Here's a tricky word too. Look through that entire word. The g g the g g goat. The goat is in a boat. The goat is in a boat. Good job, guys. Keep up the good work and try your best. Bye.